Wondering how to make him addicted to you? You've probably realized at this point it takes far more than having a pretty face to make your partner addicted to you. It also goes beyond granting him constant sexual pleasures every now and then. How to get him to fall madly in love with you? If you want to know how to make a man addicted to you, then you're at the right spot. In this video, we are going to show you 12 proven ways to make him addicted to you. If you are new here, this channel is all about teaching you social psychology videos. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's start. Number 1. Pay him a lot of attention. Men love attention and are attracted to women who give it. Of course, this is after the relationship grows to a more committed level. Being a guy's best friend means creating a conducive atmosphere where he can freely share things that concern him with you. I know everyone has their own issues, but you have to temporarily commit to making him commit to you. Communication plays a very important role in achieving this, and being a good listener is a big turn-on for many guys. When a guy knows that he can rely on you for both his good and his bad, he will be completely drawn to you. The trick is to pay more attention to him by being a good listener, getting him to share his insecurities and worries with you. Let him know at the slightest opportunity that you care about whatever is going on in his life. Then, sit back and watch him gradually become addicted to you. Number 2. Give him time to open up. One of the quickest ways to get a man addicted to you is to give him some time to develop a deep trust and love for you. Usually, a man takes time to spill his guts and reveal his darkest past secrets. Instead, create a gentle environment where the two of you can sit and chat for a long time. Talking about past experiences, what life has taught you so far, dreams and goals. Understand that as soon as the man starts to break up with you, he starts to love you. Number 3. Never try to change him. Have you ever been in a relationship where the partner tried to change you? Maybe you don't like the way he dresses, the way he responds to your messages, the way he greets your friends, or whatever the reason is. One should not revise others according to one's preference. Never try to manipulate, it is the key to a happy relationship. If you are in a relationship where your man's behavior is embarrassing in public, the only option left is to leave. Otherwise, you can accept his flaws and appreciate those odd moments with him. This will not only strengthen your relationship, but he will also get a positive vibe from you. Besides, he will definitely be happy around you because you accept him. One sweet way to make a man addicted to you. Number 4. Take an interest in his hobbies. Having some crazy activities in common definitely strengthens the relationship, but if you want your man to be addicted to you, you need to be interested in those activities, hobbies, that he really loves. Even if you don't like watching football, ask him to throw a FIFA game day party at his house, call all his friends and stock up on beer. If he's an adventure freak, rent bikes, bake him a delicious football-themed cake to surprise him. Climbing the nearest mountain. Moreover, if you find out that his favorite rock band is in town, buy tickets for your town and enjoy the night of music dancing. If you show up, you have some interest in those activities that he likes, it will make him love you deeply. Number 5. Appreciate him the way he is. This means you shouldn't try to change your partner. If you want him to fall in love with you, trying to change sides of him may do the opposite. You need to understand that the relationship is not entirely about you. There are better ways to tell him that you don't like his clothes or the friends he hangs out with. Maybe you don't like him doing menial jobs and want him to switch to a higher paying job. No one wants to associate with people who feel inferior or inferior to them. If the man in your life does anything that makes you nervous, let him know. However, it should not interfere with his personality traits such as the way he walks, dresses or talks. You have to learn to accept him as he is or move on. Number 6. Be his supporter. Win your man's heart as his strongest supporter and number 1 fan. If you are the only person in his life who always supports and helps to build confidence in every situation, no matter how difficult the situation, he will never leave your side. If you want your man to be addicted to you, be his number 1 fan, hug him every time you meet, kiss him for his success, and appreciate him for all the little things he does. Support him in pursuing his goals, and if he brings you flowers, tell him they are the most beautiful flowers you have ever seen. Number 7. Be happy always. Your partner already has enough issues to deal with. Whenever he is with you, you should make him feel relaxed and calm. When he sees that he cannot have peace of mind around you, he will stop coming around. Your partner will be devoted to you when he realizes that every moment he spends with you puts him in a good mood and takes his mind off his worries. Men naturally love women who are always happy and smiling. Happiness kind of rubs off on them and in turn makes them happy. Knowing that he is in a happy place with a person who is always happy allows him to relax and chill. Learn to keep things light and simple by always joking and laughing with him. True happiness and laughter are the kind of things that will make him addicted to you. Number 8. Be vulnerable with him. When you open up to a man, you're communicating that you trust him enough to tell him the things you love. It could be your insecurities, a bad past relationship, or how you feel about him. Listen, I suspect it might be difficult for you to be vulnerable with a man after the experiences you've had in past relationships. But if you're serious about finding love again, I think you are, then this might just work for you. It will not only help you to become indifferent to him, but also help you heal past hurts and open your heart to new love. Start by sharing something small with him. Getting a text from him first thing every morning can be the way to make you smile. Gradually opens up more and more over time. Number 9. Don't be afraid to be emotional. It's never a good thing to bottle up your feelings, especially if you keep them bottled up deep down. They have to go out eventually, otherwise, you will drown in them and collapse. Fortunately, there is someone special you can talk to who will be happy to help you with whatever troubles you. Show him that you trust him and appreciate his help. Even if he doesn't have the same good advice as your friends, he still has a shoulder to cry on and an ear to listen. He will be honored that you decided to show him your vulnerable side, and you will get the relief you need. Don't be afraid to express how much you love him and appreciate his presence in your life. Number 10. Be independent. If you want to get a man addicted to you, you have to be independent. Now, you can do everything perfectly in this feature, but if you are not independent, it doesn't matter. Nobody wants someone who sticks like glue. They want a partner who is well-rounded and has a life of his own. Go out with your friends, spend time with your family. Show him that there are other things in your life than him. Spend time working on your career and your other passions. Make your own money, don't depend on him for anything. It doesn't mean he can't help you, but show him you don't need him, you need him. Number 11. Respect him and demand respect in return. Loyalty comes from respecting each other, which means that respect is the ultimate ingredient for a happy and successful relationship with love. So, if you want him to be yours, you need to respect his boundaries and his time, just as you want him to respect yours. If he says he's going out with his friends, encourage him to do so. Show him that you have faith in him. Respect his wishes, values, and dreams, just as you would like yours to be respected in return. For relationships to succeed, many sacrifices and compromises must be made. Number 12. Make him a part of your life, not your whole life. When we're in the honeymoon phase, we can't get enough of each other, and that's completely normal. But after the honeymoon is over, it's not normal or healthy to be together all the time and make him your life. Make him a part of your life, but not your whole life. Ask him to come with you and be your company as you chase your dreams and follow your passions. You two are best friends, lovers, and soulmates. But just because you two love each other doesn't mean that the rest of the world ceases to exist. Enjoy your life to the fullest and enjoy it with him and your friends and family. Enjoy it with yourself first, because time is incredibly important to you being happy and healthy.